In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos on your PC. Now, open up YouTube and then navigate to the video that you want to download. And then once you have the video pulled up, then you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to these icons, and there's a download button right here. So we're going to go ahead and click download. And then here you're going to see you have a standard or a high definition option. Now, this will only let you download this if you have YouTube Premium. So click on the option that you want and then click on YouTube Premium. And then to go through, you'll have to set up the paid membership for YouTube Premium, and then you'll be able to download videos straight onto your YouTube profile. Now, this will let you use them for offline use, but you still aren't able to download and save those videos onto your hard drive. Now, other workarounds to this are against YouTube's terms and services. So this is the official way that you're able to download YouTube videos, is by using a YouTube Premium membership. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you didn't, I'm sorry. I completely understand.